2020 was very hard year, and we need ukuthi sesikhulekile bazalwane si encourage one another to say okungahambanga kahle kubo nongabaphathanga kahle, there is still another chance. They should not give up. Bangamthuka uNkulunkulu. Ngiye ngibuke bazalwane abantu abaqale ngoJanuary bathatha imali zabo zokugcina bahamba bayokwakha amahotela, bahamba bayokwenza izinto ebezi kwi lockdown nese ku lockdown namanje, ekuthenini impilo yabo njengamanje miserable. Bebengazi ukuthi ngoSeptember kuzomela iclose down. Omunye mhlawumbe uyiqalela ama BNB, abantu baqala ama BNB these days, athatha imali yakhe yokugcina yasemsebenzini athatha ngizakhele lapha ngasekhaya ngizakhele iBNB. U2020 awubaphathanga kahle, kodwa ngizothi uma bekhona nakubazalwane abazwayo esikoleni ababona ukuthi it didn't go well, singa give up bazalwane. There is another chance. Njengoba siphila nje kusho ukuthi there is another chance. And into ebhlungu njengoba ngisho ukuthi uma sikhuluma kanje kube ngazithi mhlawumbe sikhuluma ukukholo. Ukukholwa abazalwane ukuthi engqondweni umuntu abe strong. Umuntu ongekho mentally strong, ngishizwi engabe liyamakha liyambulala. There is why abantwana bethu bazana kumele sibavangele njalo noma sibashaye njalo, because at the end of the day kugcina lokho uyabona umuntu oyalwa njalo ugcina seyisithungithungu. Ngoba uhlale yalwa mayiwisisitsha sekubizwa meeting mayenze ukuthi sekusho. So ngizothi bazalwane khona ngempela unyaka obashayile, if empilweni yabo has unyaka oregisterekile enhlizwe abangeke bawukhohlwe u2020. Even in those situations bazalwane, let's not give up. Singa give up kubantwana bethu abanye abaphasanga, abanye bazalwane balahlekelwe imisebenzi, abanye uyazi ukuthi emsebenzini khona abantu akwase kumele kuthiwa baqala ukusebenza ngoMarch kwavele kwavalwa. Makuvalwa kwavalwa namaposition yonke into. Even in that situation bazalwane, even in that situation, let's have an encouraging word maqala unyaka. And into ebalekile bazalwane ekukhulumeni ukuthi njengoba kuqala yabona nje ayikho into engihlekisayo babuhlatshwa nje ukuthi abantu who plan ahead njengamanje sebekhipha ama calendar ka2021 November, sebenama event asebe advertiser ka2021 into ezonzoka ngoNovember, kodwa kuma screens ethu eTV sebeqala ukwa display. Now uzothola ukuthi abazalwane there is nothing that are planning empilo yabo right now ukuthi njengoba kuqala unyaka ngiyapi, where am I going, so that uma qala abazalwane kungabi ukuthi umuntu ufuna ukubeka izandla uma ukuthi uza phambi kaNkulunkulu and God has to ask you ukuthi kahle yini oyifunayo, yini into uNkulunkulu kumele ubuyele emuva uyothatha ngiyobheka. You must have it enhlizweni yakho nje kube khona lento ethi next year uma uqala this is what I want to achieve. Hayi ukuthi ngoJanuary angithi nenibona bazona la enkonzweni ubona sesikopela sesibona abantu bamasonto benza ama fasting and prayer, nathi sesiyabamba siyayeka sesibuka ama calendar ukuthi kodwa singathandaza nini. We have to plan it now. Maqala unyaka impilo yakho ibe uma ukuthi akwenzeki manje ukuthi uNkulunkulu have plan ngizamile ngawa amandla. This year ngifuna ukuthi maqala unyaka ngifuna ukufocusa in my books. Awukwazi ukuthi uzoqala January ukuthi ngifuna ukufocusa ekufundeni ungakazi ukumeditate ngakho manje. And abantu abaningi babhizi ba account ama bonus abawatholanga akwenzekanga ukuthi into ebalekile bazwana. That's why I'm saying it's ukuba ne courage of doing. Yabona njengoba uthabi senza nje, it's a courage. It takes someone ukuthi bazalwane a step out afune iphupho lakhe. And into ebhlungu ngempela ukuthi ungazuba ugogo uhlale efisi. You've never stepped out and say njengoba qala lo nyaka nje this is what I want to achieve, and you work towards your dreams. Hence I'm saying bazalwane khona la bengengakhonza khona kuma clip ngithi kubazalwane ulaka lika Sathane lunamandla, and uma ufunda izwi lithizwe likaNkulunkulu oMeshek no Abednego bafaka emlilweni onolaka uSathane nolaka babiza ngolaka. And ienga kaSathane bazalwane leave bruises in us, ishiya amascars, ishiya ukuthi mhlawumbe la enkonzweni angithandwa, mhlawumbe anginakiwe. Khohlwa lezo. Let's focus at telling what is it that we are going to do next year. Because bazalwane baningi abantu abahambile emhlabeni. Abanye stronger than us. Abanye abangcono than us. But uNkulunkulu kusho ukuthi mayekubekile, there is something ayibekele. And I used to say kumzala sengihlala phansi ukuthi yazi ukuthi eBhayibhelini ithinta uthabiso kancane lento. EBhayibhelini khona yonke into. But you decide what portion you take. EBhayibhelini khona lithi iBhayibheli iceli ngeyiphele. Abahluphekayo ngeke baphele. Izifo ngeyiphele. Kunezinto uNkulunkulu ayisho, but you decide wena ukuthi kule portion I'm not one of those. Malithi izwi likaNkulunkulu abantu they will turn against their parents. It's a word. But you decide wena ukuthi this is not my portion. So impilo injalo if uhluleka ukudecide ukuthi mina kahle kahle if ngiyibuka impilo yami kahle kahle ngikulabo okuthiwa ngeke bacela uNkulunkulu yobabona ngabo ukuthi kumele bakhangeze. You decide to say mina angifuni ukuba yilabo, ngifuna ukuba yilabo okuthiwa bona esandleni sabo whatever they touch it turn gold. But before uthatha lento you must have plan. And secondly bazalwane ungabi nalento yokuthi njengoba u2020 nje ubumnyaka onzima then you give up everything. Yonke into vele uyiyekelele uphinde futhi maqala unyaka zithi ngoJune usuyaqala ingqondo yabuya. Have a courage. Abantu abazoya esikoleni, abantu abazoqala ema-universities, you cannot succeed if kuukuthi ingqondo yakho is not clued up. Hence I'm saying bazalwane kunabantu njengamanje who are running a 2021 calendar. Right now mabebuya nje January bayazi ukuthi masibuya the second week of January ibandla lizobe lenza ukuthi ngoMarch ibandla they are ahead of time. And labo bantu bazalwane izinto zabo ilento yokukholwa it doesn't always go bazalwane ngefaith engenayo an applied mind. Ukuze ifaith isebenze you need to ingqondo yakho uyikhuleka. You know bazalwane I used to tell mama even ngisho unkosikazi wami I used to tell ukuthi mama bayathandaza but usathane uyabajabulisa abantu abavele bavuke without applying their mind before they pray. They meditate and say about their kids and bring their husbands then they go to prayer. Now usathane uyabasaba abantu abanjalo because uyazi ukuthi in their thinking capacity uNkulunkulu if engehlisa a solution those people they will grab it. But abantu who does not think uNkulunkulu wehlisa ama solutions. Yayibona our ish ngithintekile uma ngithi ukuthi abantu abenza i-vaccine le COVID ukuthi it's a husband and a wife. Abantu abahlala and think about things. Now Tina, because when we have to think about things sikumele sikhulume not applying our mind, not being sober minded. Kwenza ukuthi bazalwane noma uNkulunkulu enza ne-solution because you not applying your mind. Ungabi yona i-solution. Umuntu oyi-solution nokuthi mongcwele give me something. Uhlala ingqondo yakho and move around things. But akwenzeki lokho if bazalwane unyaka uvumela ukuthi ukushaye and nasize sikusho ukuthi ugazi 2021 uzoshaya kanjani. So ilelozo bazalwane ngiyaxolisa ukuba mude but enhlizweni yami bekhona lokho ukuthi those unyaka obabhayithe down ababona ukuthi you know what if bekhona into ebingenzeka there is nothing. Abazalwane bakhathela imisebenzi abazalwane but in that is why I always say bazalwane ukuthi even ngisho ngabe kuthiwa umuntu akasebenzi ngendlela uMongcwele ngimthemba ngayo even omama abahlala ekhaya basebenza you don't expect them ukuthi balindele umholo kaBaba. There is a solution around. Othola ukuthi kuyi-solution nje around la hlala khona. There is something and ingqondo yethu was tuned ukuthi kumele uzothola i-degree, kumele uzofunde ukuze ukhona ukuyi-sustain. Actually Thabiso, a spiritual gift can sustain you. A spiritual gift nje can make yabo lento engiyenza la if ngaba serious ngayo I can make it a profession. So now you cannot achieve that if you don't if umzalwane ongayi-apply ingqondo. We have that see themselves in doing something, and you cannot see yourself if you don't plan. What you are worried about is something that has nothing to do with your future. So hence I'm saying,